Hello kids, welcome back to my channel, The Toddlers Gallery.